Hello everyone, today we will speak about one of the best programs for ourselves nowadays, Google Hangouts. It's a program developed by Google and now I want to say how to use it. First of all, find out the Google Hangouts in your Google. Write down Google Hangouts and visit the site first, which we see, hangouts.google.com. After that, we need to sign in with our personal email or Gmail, then we can see this one. Here we can make video conference with our students, audio conference or chatting with each other. If we click this one, it's the chatting. We can add a participant and chat with him. Just click create, then add personal email and just send invitation for him. After that, the participant can participate as and we can chat with him. Then if you click this one, it's the chat, group chatting. We see this one. Here we can add participants for our group chatting. For example, English chat. Here we can see the members of our chat is 9. Just click the participant and click add. After that, write down Gmail or email of this student and click add. After that, this user can use it with us. Then if you click this one, it's a phone. We can also make audio conference or video conference too. Google Hangouts is useful for us because we can use it with our mobile phone, not only with computer, yeah? It can download with platforms Android, iOS, Google Chrome and etc. That's why this program is very useful for us and just use it, try to use it, download it.
Okay, let's talk about advantages of Google Hangouts. There are some advantages of this app. The first one is cross-platform synchronization. The second one is video conference. And the next is automatic synchronized conversations. What about the first one? You can use Google Hangouts on any device with a different OS. It does not require to have only Android. It is compatible with Windows or iOS too. Moreover, all your conversations are synchronized on your all devices. What does it mean? It means that you don't have to lose or stop your conversations if you have to switch your device. And the second one is video conference. With Google Hangouts, you can make a video conference with up 10 members. It is one of the best opportunities that any communication service can offer for a group video call. And there is one feature of video conference in Google Hangouts. It is free for Android and iOS too. And the third one, Google Hangouts make you free from sticking on one device or one platform. With Google Hangouts, all your conversations are synchronized on your all devices automatically. For instance, you are having a conversation on your desktop and you have to leave it. The solution is simple. You just have to open Google Hangouts on your mobile phone and continue with your conversations.
There are some disadvantages of Google Hangouts. Firstly, required Google account. However, Google Hangouts is compatible with all operating systems. You have to register on Google to enjoy all features of Google Hangouts, including video conference. If you have Google account but your friend hasn't, then you cannot through Google Hangouts. But making Google account isn't difficult or complicated, so this isn't a big problem that can lessen Hangouts' advantage. Secondly, no message track. With Google Hangouts, you cannot track if the other party has received and read your message. almost all big communication apps have offered this feature. Mostly people like to have track of their messages. And the last one, cannot set states. Google Hangouts don't offer online status customization. Hangouts only show online or offline states. Sometimes you are busy or want to inform your contacts about any other state you are in that you cannot with Google Hangouts.
Why is Google Hangouts better than Microsoft Teams? It uses a two-way failure function, sends free SMS, has an image preview, has a media gallery, can take photos, 9 languages supports widgets, and can archive old data. Google Hangouts takes a slightly simpler approach to collaboration than Microsoft Teams. The Google Meet application allows you to launch video conference easily using integrated web cameras and peripherals, and it's all for free. The coronavirus outbreak has forced people to get creative when it comes how to they communicate with family, friends, and co-workers. If anything, living in the digital age amidst this pandemic has proven to be helpful. From social media applications to messaging platforms, there are plenty of options out there to help you stay connected with others despite not being able to see them in person.